Hey guys, my name is Phoenix and this is Drawing the Human Figure from Your Mind, lesson 159. Okay, so now after looking at the invention of these planes, which you can customize yourself, which you should be, and understanding is all these intricate parts of the hand, all we have to do really now is just look at just very simple basic shapes that will allow us to put the hand quickly down on paper. So here we can obviously state that, okay, if we take this angle here, right, for the hand, and we take this angle here for the hand, we take this angle here, right, because meaning that when we draw this angle here, right, we know that there's a wrist area over here, then the wrist goes here, and then we can specify here as to how this angle is kind of just like this in that whole hand here. So we're taking into account that area for the bones for the wrist here. We've got that simplification, this simplification over here, right? And then we can specify that it's just going to add itself. It's going to be like this over here, meaning that if we had to draw this, right, we could do this pretty fast here, meaning that we are coming to the middle of that finger here, that we know that it's going to come in, like it comes in, specifying this over here and going into that area here, and we can start to put the hand together. And over here you would obviously get your basic idea over here as to these simple shapes here. And for the fingers, we don't have to break the finger, right? We can just put in a simple understanding that it's better for us to draw the hand of thinking of the fingers as, because it's not a broken system here. It's one flow line specifying that this is that basic shape for the hand over here, like so. Very simple. So we only have to draw about, in that sketching we can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and about 6, 7, 8 different shapes to suggest the hand from that top view, and even simplify this. Just understand that this muscle is going here, and then there's this muscle here. Then we can just specify that. Keep that in mind. It connects like this. So from the bottom we can do the same thing. Just doing that same plane system, just like this. It's not going to be any different. Right? This is simplifying it for the mind here. Look, this is how you want to put that, and it's going to be the same thing here. Meaning if you're drawing the bottom of the hand, you pretty much have to do the same exact thing here. Just like this that we did. And then over here, just putting in these ideas here. Right, look where this is. It comes in here, then you have this idea here. Just keep that in mind, that it doesn't go all the way here. It's going to go like this. And that idea, and keep an eye out for this space over here. And think of these fingers as just one flowing system here. There's no reason to break this. Otherwise, in this artistic thinking, the mind is going to start breaking from the flow of the figure when we're drawing it. We have to think of this exactly the same way as we draw the figure, in very fluid ideas here, in those very fast basic shapes that we're creating, and the mind is just going to create its own ideas here anyways, and just trusting it. Okay, so let's just now go ahead and start looking at how to do some drawings of the hand before we do an actual drawing here. I hope you join me for that. Thanks.